Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this inspiration mood board that is behind me. I really wanted something to jazz up this like big white wall in my studio apartment. Ooh, if you haven't already, make sure you check out my studio apartment tour, which I uploaded last week. It's a little plug there. But yeah, I decided on like a vision board. I thought that would be really fun, and I'd seen in Tara's apartment, of course, she has like a similar setup and I thought it looked really cool, so I thought I would do my own version of it today. I don't know that anyone really needs a tutorial on how to make a mood board because you just put whatever you want on there, but I just like making videos, so I thought I would document this process as well. So first things first, I had to head to the warehouse to pick up a few supplies. We've arrived at the mothership. We have success. I have found the mood board that I want. Let's see what else we can impulse buy in the warehouse, because this happens every time I come here. This craft aisle is totally my weakness. So many cute things, so many options for pegs as well. Cute patterns, or I did see some plain wooden ones before. Oh look, here's some more wooden ones. Oh wait, they have hearts on them. Don't think I want hearts. Oh my god, look, so cute. So I was looking at the picture here and how they've got really cute plants on it, and I just found these little fake succulents and they are on clearance. So, oh, that one's broken. Let's not get that one. I'm trying to decide if I should get one or two. I mean, they were $6, so I get two and they'd be the same price as what they were. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get two. YOLO. So the next day back in my apartment, I sort of unpacked everything that I bought at the warehouse and I unpackaged it all. I just wanted to like lay everything out on the table and see what I was missing, see what could potentially become part of my mood board. So the next thing I did was I went around my apartment and just pulled together some things that I thought would be really cool for the mood board, things that I already had to save money so I didn't buy everything brand new. I started by going through some of my old Vogue magazines and pulling out some cool photos that I thought might work well on a mood board. So this is a whole bunch of stuff I have gathered so far. All the items at the back of what I got at the warehouse yesterday. And then I found some cute paper which was actually wrapped around my Gucci notebook. I also have this really funny birthday card that a friend from work gave me. It is my face photoshopped onto Blair Waldorf, and I just want to be Blair Waldorf in life, so that's great. I'm not sure if these colours go, but these are some like Gilmore Girls trivia cards that I got sent from Netflix a while ago, but I love the Gilmore Girls, so I kind of want to put those on. I've got this cute card that Connor gave me for a birthday one year, and it says, "May your day be amazing," as a pug dressed as a unicorn. And it's kind of like reflective and fun. I also have these really cute stickers. One of them says "Make love, not Horcruxes," which is a Harry Potter reference. And this one says "Beware of the photographer." So I might stick them on some card and peg them on as well. I also have a business card for our vlogs. I thought that'd be cute. I also have these items from the Gucci Garden where I went in Florence. If you watch my Florence vlogs, this is like the little ticket. And this is the receipt in a little envelope from the notebook that I bought. And another thing that I have from my Italy trip is this really cute card of this beautiful tower that we climbed in Venice. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the last thing. For the lols, I got given this. It was a PR gift at work to promote a new TV show, and they bought me a title like Lady Ellen Mackenzie, and I own a really small piece of land in Ireland, I think, somewhere random. I thought it was fun, and I thought it's good for my mood board, like, yeah, Ellen, you are a lady, you're a boss, you own a piece of land and have a title. So then it was finally time to start creating my mood board. So I kind of started out by putting like the big main things that I knew that I wanted on there, and then just kind of played around, arranging things, adding things, taking things away. Eventually I realized it probably wasn't very smart to do it flat on the ground because it was going to be hanging up, so I like leaned it up against the wall and kept adding things to it. I then felt like I needed something a little extra, so I decided to go to kikki.K because that's like my favorite stationery store ever, and I knew they would have something. It was kind of a mistake though, because if you saw my Instagram story, I like was thinking of going in and getting one thing and using my birthday voucher that I had from kikki.K, and then I ended up buying so many things and I spent so much money, but we're just gonna ignore that. It was just a little bit of a treat, and we were talking about the mood board. Let's move back to the mood board. So I ended up getting these little inspirational cards, and they have these really cute quotes on them, and I kind of liked, you know, the idea of having some more words on my mood board rather than images. So to hang it on my wall, I used just these like command hooks that I got from Warehouse Stationery, because obviously I'm in an apartment, so I don't want to like damage the walls at all. So hopefully, I mean, it's still stuck to the wall now, so hopefully it won't fall down in the night. The last addition I made were some fairy lights. I'd seen Tyra do this, so I'm just, you know, copying my little sister again. And I think they look really cute though when you turn them on, and I don't know if I'll keep them there because I did have my lights wrapped around this mirror originally, and I kind of really love that. But I mean, I suppose I could get a second set of fairy lights, splash out. No, I can't. I just spent all my money at kikki.K. Never mind. So yeah, that is the finished inspiration mood board thing that is on my wall. I am obsessed with it. I really love how it turned out. I think it's really cute. I think it's got so many elements of me on it. Like I have a weird toy panda sitting on the top, and it's made out of rubber, and then I have like Harry Potter references and Gilmore Girl references and Gossip Girl references, and then I have like the fun Gucci ticket and some stuff from my trip to Italy. So it's just got everything I could ever want on there. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to our channel if you are new. My name is Ellen, and my sister and I make really cool fashion, lifestyle, DIY, apartment related videos. I think that's everything I had to say. I'm gonna end this video now because I shut my window so the audio wouldn't be too loud getting traffic noise, and now it's very, very hot in here. So I'm gonna go and open my window back up again. Bye!